To perform a database backup in CBAS, select the Database menu, followed by Backup Database. Here you can choose your own file name or just leave the default that CBAS selected for you. You'll note that the number is automatically added to the end of the file name. Here are checkboxes to include historical data and/or graphic image files, both of which are not included by default in order to reduce file size. To begin the process, click Backup Now. Once complete, CBAS will automatically close this window. The backup database function can also be configured to happen automatically. To set these options, select Database, Database Maintenance, followed by Automated Backup. Here you can select some options like a monthly backup, daily backup, and include things like the time of day and path for this file to be saved.